Alright, we're at the Pamela Lee house, starting up here in the attic. Here's the entry for the attic. There's the window. The attic is partially finished. Lots of debris here. And I can't really walk too far into the attic. You can see here, there's definitely space decking for the roof. Lots of damage, heavily damaged. This is about as far as I can go here in the attic. Okay, we're gonna go down to the main floor. Bear with me. Alright, so we're down here on the main floor in this bedroom. The hardwood flooring. We got ceiling damage here. Looks like one of the joists is broken right there. Here's the overall room. We go out to the hallway. Did not see any damage in this bedroom. Thing looks pretty good in here. All the floors are continuous throughout the house. There's a closet right there. Only thing I noticed were some little holes on the ceiling. I don't know if they were already there. But that's the only damage in this room. You come out here, and we've got a bathroom, hallway bath. Looks like the whole ceiling was taken out. We've got some damaged beams up there. Yeah, this whole wall right here is pretty much done for. That's all the damage in the bathroom. I'm gonna go through the hallway to the kitchen area. This is where most of the damage is. Looks like the hardwoods do stop right here. We got some, looks like linoleum, probably. Alright, so yes, here's where the most of the damage is. You can see pretty much the whole roof has collapsed inside the kitchen area. That is where I think most likely there was a door for the back deck, which the entire back is destroyed, and I'll show you that when we go outside. Looks like they just put some temporary support beams here to kind of hold up what's left of the structure. So it's pretty fucked up over here. All right, so that's the kitchen area. We're gonna walk out to the living room. Same deal in here. Oh, the whole ceiling's gone. The floor continues through here. Looks like we do got some broken stuff up there. Yeah, and you can see the roof and the space decking. And that's pretty much up there in the attic where I was earlier, right there. There's another room here. I didn't see any wall or ceiling damage in here. Only thing is the window right here is busted out. You can see the glass on the floor. Alright. Here's another view of the living room area. Alright, so we're gonna go outside and look at the exterior damage. I'll take one more shot of the inside from here. Alright, let's go to the outside. Here's the front of the house. That busted window in that room. And I got a tarp and some temporary decking on the roof. Gutter is damaged there. Looks like a little bit of siding damage there. Gutter damage. Gutter damage here. Gutter damage. Here's the side of the house here. Some siding damage. See the gutter damage there. Siding damage there, gutter damage, and there's the roof, side of the house. We're gonna walk around the backyard, some siding damage right there. Let's walk around to the other side of the house. Don't really see any damage to this side of the house here. Side of the house. See a whole lot of damage on this side. Alright, here's the back of the house. I'm gonna walk up here. So I believe there was a porch right here on the back that was completely destroyed. See some gutter damage there. Pretty much all the gutters are going to have to be replaced. This is the kitchen area. You saw that board. I think there was a door right there, and then this was a back porch. So you can see the whole back porch. It's gone, destroyed. Deck porch, whatever you want to call it. Does look like that foundation's cracked right there. This is like a little storage basement area here. Alright, there's the side of the house here. This porch, back porch area, just barely hanging on here. And that is it for the exterior.